I'm Audley Wilson. I'm the founder and CEO of RoboBurger. What we've done is we've condensed a full commercial kitchen for making burgers into 12 square feet. RoboBurger all began back as soon as I learned electronics. As soon as I learned how to move motors and turn lights on, I started working on a food machine. I used to watch the Jetsons back in the day. There was a service bot, and I always wanted to make that machine. This unit is our Generation 5 unit. We've worked with the NSF, which is the National Sanitation Foundation, to ensure this machine meets all of the requirements of health and safety. The way RoboBurger is different, it cooks the patty, it toasts the bun, it puts it together inside of the units, and gives the customers the condiments that they specified. Nothing else does that. And at the end of the day, you get a freshly cooked burger on the spot.
Michael, would you like to come up and experience RoboBurger?
Absolutely.
Excellent. Sharks, please try our delicious burgers.
Being on Shark Tank was absolutely awesome. I've watched Shark Tank since the very beginning, and everyone has always told me that I should bring my machine and put it on Shark Tank. But there's another thing when you're really doing it. Will it deliver a perfect burger to the sharks?
It's pretty good.
It's been amazing to see how far RoboBurger's come. Really coming from my living room, back in the day to going onto Shark Tank. Right now we're working with clients on a global expansion.